Hi guys, I just had a very bad experience. I There's a small piece of my headphones got left inside the headphone hole on my iPad. I was kind of panicked until I read something on the internet about how to solve this thing, and guess what? It worked. And this is the result. By showing you this, I bet you know what I'm talking about. So this piece was left behind inside the headphone hole. This one. See this? The end of the jack. The end part of the jack. So all you have to do is put this, try to find the smallest swirl, and then you put this into the hole, and this works like this. Turn it slowly, then you just put it up. Voila. So happy I did this. So happy. And now my iPad is properly functioning. The sounds came out. There you go.